Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Okay guys, today we're going to be making pasta with chicken and veggie in a pink sauce. As you can see, I had already prepared my penne pasta. It's nice and al dente, and I also tossed it in some light oil to keep it from sticking, so it's all ready. I put it aside. It's ready to go. We have our chicken, okay? We have our spinach. We have our fresh basil. We have our carrots, bell pepper. We have traditional tomato sauce, and we have our fresh garlic. We have salt and pepper, and we have our olive oil. Okay, here's Parmesan cheese, our onion, and our cream. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, this is the chicken that we just marinated nicely with the olive oil, salt and pepper, and basil. Okay, I just put this aside. Okay guys, now we're gonna saute our onion, our garlic. That smells delicious. Just gonna cook this down. Okay, let's cook our seasoned chicken now. Let's get all that in there. I'm going to fully cook our chicken, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Okay, as you can see, this is what we want. I'm going to add my carrots. Okay, I'm going to add my carrots. I'm going to add my bell pepper. I'm going to turn up my flame. I'm just going to get that in a little bit. Just gonna let the heat toss that up just a little bit, saute just a little bit. Then we're gonna add our sauce. Okay, so just let the heat get a little bit. All right, turn the flame up. All right, this is looking good. We're getting there. Okay, now we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Okay. Add our tomato sauce. We're gonna add our cream. Okay. Get this nice, wonderful. We add now basil, all of our basil, and we're going to cook this down nice and slow. Okay? The sauce is looking good. Just bring up the sauce. Perfect. Okay. This is very quick, guys. As you can see, I'm just adding my spinach. Okay, let them see me mix it. Just mix it all in. This is perfect. Let it cook down nicely. Let your spinach cook down nicely. Get all those flavors in. I'm going to cover it now. That's what we're going to do. Okay? We want to cover it for 2-3 minutes just to cook our spinach down so it incorporates. Okay? Just so the spinach cooks down. Okay, we just add the cheese, everybody. We toss it in really nicely. This is what you toss it in really nicely, guys. This is the pink sauce. I just added Parmesan cheese, and now we're going to add our pasta. This is it. This is what you want. Perfect. Perfect. That's what you want. All right, put the pasta in just like this, guys. Beautiful. And you fold it in. This is delicious. Just fold it in nicely. Just fold it in. Perfect. Look at that. That looks great. Okay guys, this is it. It's done. Okay guys, here you have it. Pasta with chicken and veggie in a pink sauce. Look how delicious this is. I'm telling you guys, just top it with some Parmesan cheese, just like this, and serve it up. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.